Hi, I'm Carly.
And I'm Becky, and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today we are in the kitchen and we are making, what are we making?
Some s'mores dip
From
our lovely I Love Baking magazine.
Ooh, and this is on sale now, so make sure you check it out in shops. Okay, so what am I doing first?
So you will need 200 grams of milk chocolate, which we have already measured out. And then you want to put that in a frying pan with marshmallows. So 200 grams of those.
Thank you very much.
Already measured out. Okay.
Okay, do I need anything else?
Yep, 2 tablespoons of milk.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, have you ever made this before, Carly?
Never. So it's the first time. Becky, have you?
I have not. Okay.
Right.
Let's see. Oh, it's starting to melt a little bit in the middle. So this is a really quick recipe and it's a really good one for sharing, so you might want to try this one out at your next sleepover. So what are we going to do when this is all melted?
So we want to put the rest of the marshmallows on top, which we have here.
Oh, lovely.
And then the whole thing is covered. But we'll wait for a minute until that's all mixed in and melted. And you don't want to do it too hot and burn the chocolate, so just nice and slow.
Yeah.
Be patient.
It'll be good. I think we need to get the Girl Talk team up after we've done this. Get them all to try it.
Ooh!
Did I say
That
that?
happens, it's fine. Quickly put them back in, but make sure you don't burn yourself. Did you just eat one?
No. It fell off, it's fine.
That is not fair. We promised that we would wait until everyone was here.
I'm sorry. I didn't think they'd want one that fell out.
So you just did us a favour by clearing it up.
Yeah. Oh, it's starting to get a little bit... Oh yeah, we're getting the goo now. Slowly but surely.
Getting the goo.
We're getting
the
goo. You see the goo?
I see the goo. Do you see
the
goo?
Do you want to do some stirring, or are you happy to watch me slave away?
I'm going to observe this time. I'm supervising.
Yeah,
that's what I'm doing.
Supervising this adult. So what are we going to dip in our dip, if that makes sense? Nice. That'll be
Straws and pineapple chunks.
Pineapple chunks. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Lovely.
I think we might be nearly. You've dropped another.
Do you want it? Okay, now we're even.
Are we even?
Yes.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this. This is getting a bit satisfying now.
That looks so
Wow.
fun to do. I wish
It looks
I
like
was doing
it looks
now.
like slime. Like not very good slime, but it looks a bit slimy. I like this folding. Do you want to try some folding? Now she wants to get involved.
Now I want to go. Oh, I'm left-handed. Are you left-handed?
I'm left-handed as well.
I mean, same.
Friends.
BFFs.
Oh, look at that.
I don't feel like I'm doing it as good as you. Oh! Should we put the stuff on top now?
Yeah, go on.
Right.
I'll just give it a little bit of a stir on this side.
So, this was 200 grams of marshmallows. And now we've got 150 going on top. I'm just going to cover it all. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
It's my moment. Shine!
Woo, okay. I'm just gonna spread them out so cover the whole thing.
Right. Yep, so the whole thing is covered.
Lovely. And now what?
So we're going to ask an adult to put it on the grill for about 1 to 2 minutes on high. Lovely. So let's go.
Okay.
You go around me?
I'm here. Here we go.
Yay!
Look at that. I am excited to dive in.
So it's time to eat it. The best part. So you can either get some digestives, which are here.
Grab one of those, thank you.
Or put them on skewers with some fruit. We've got pineapple and strawberries here. And yeah, however you choose, whichever way, we're going to do both.
Okay.
So,
shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to start. Oh my
I'm waiting and watching.
gosh. Look at that. Okay, hang on.
Wait.
She's
She's gone. I'll go in then.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Oh. Ready?
What do you think? Okay, I think we're gonna get some of our friends in to help us out with this.
Sleepover club.
Gonna wrap it up.
So yeah, that was lovely. We hope you have so much fun making this. We certainly did. Let us know how you get on in the comments below. And make sure you go out and get one of these for more recipes like this. And yeah, like and subscribe. Let us know how you get on. Bye.
Thanks, bye.